Let's find out how you can use the Automix feature in WeDJ to automatically mix between a selection of tracks. We'll also look at the options available to change the way Automix works. To activate Automix, tap the Automix icon at the top of the performance screen. From here, you can start Automix and adjust various options. You can choose to automix between all the tracks available from either your device's music library, a specific playlist in WeDJ, a compatible music application, or a playlist from a compatible streaming service. You can also choose to only automix tracks on a specific album stored in your music library. And you can choose to shuffle the selected tracks. Adjust the point at which Automix will begin to mix to the next track. Or the length of the mix, which you can adjust with the Mix Length slider. You can also activate Transition effects, which will seamlessly transition from one track to another. Once you've set the options you want, tap the Start button at the top of the window to begin the mix and play the first track.